Hello children, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are fit and fine. Now today we are going to start with exercise 4B. Okay, those who have the books with you, please turn to page number 55. Please turn to page number 55, exercise 4B. Okay, we are going to do this exercise today. We have completed exercise 4A in the previous class. I told you to copy down the sums in the notebook. I hope all of you have done it. Those who haven't, children, please do it in your notebooks. Okay, exercise 4A. And today we are going to discuss exercise 4B. This also you have to do it in your notebooks. Okay, exercise 4B also you have to do it in your notebooks. So let's start. Okay, let's start exercise 4B. Children, please look at the book carefully. See how I have done it. Number 1, find the product. Product means multiply. That means we have to multiply 21 by 2. We have to multiply 21 by 2. 21. So 1 is in the ones place and 2 is in the tens place. 1 is in the ones place, 2 is in the tens place. Now we have to multiply 21 by 2. First we have to multiply 2 into 1, 2. The ones place. We have to multiply with the ones place at first. 2 ones are 2. Then with the tens place. 2 twos are 4. So 42 will be your answer. I repeat, 2 ones are 2. Then 2 twos are 4. First with the ones place and then with the tens place. So 42 will be your answer. Next, B. 30 by 3. 30 by 3. 30. 0 is in the ones place and 3 is in the tens place. 0 is in the ones place, 3 is in the tens place. So first with the ones place, 3 zeros are 0, 3 threes are 9. So 90 will be your answer. 3 zeros are 0, 3 threes are 9. So 90 will be your answer. Next, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. 32 multiplied by 2. 32 multiplied by 2. See, 32 multiplied by 2. So 32. 2 is in the ones place. 3 is in the tens place. So first with the ones place, 2 twos are 4. Then 2 threes are 6. So 64 will be your answer. 64 will be your answer. 2 twos are 4. Then 2 threes are 6. Next, D. 54 by 2. Multiply 54 by 2. First with the ones place what is there? 4. And in the tens place 5 is there. So 2 fours are 8. Then 2 fives are 10. So 108 will be your answer. 108. 108 will be your answer. I am repeating once again. 1A. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. First we have to multiply with the ones place and then with the tens place. So 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 42 will be your answer. Next, B. 3 zeros are 0. 3 threes are 9. 90 will be your answer. Next, 32 by 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 64 will be your answer. Next, 54 by 2. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 108. 108 will be your answer. Everything you have to do it in your notebooks, not in the books. Children, I repeat, like the previous exercise, exercise 4A. 4B also will be done in your notebooks. You have to copy the questions and then you have to do it in the same way I have done. I'm going to send the snapshot. Please see to it and do it accordingly in your notebooks. Next, number 2. Multiply to find the product. Again the same thing, but here 3 digits are there. 3 digits are there, 4 digits are also there. So first one, A. 424 multiplied by 2. 424 multiplied by 2. So 424. Children, see, 4 is in the ones place, then 2 is in the tens place, and again 4 is in the hundreds place. So first we have to multiply 2 with the ones place. 2 fours are 8, then 2 twos are 4, then 2 fours are 8. Always start from the ones place. Always we have to start from the ones place. 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8. So 848 is your answer. Next, B. 1423 by 2. 1423 multiplied by 2. 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8, 2 ones are 2. So first with the ones place, then the tens place, then the hundreds place, and then the thousands place. 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8, 2 ones are 2. So 2846 is your answer. Next, 3241 by 2. 3241 multiplied by 2. So first let's start with the ones place. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. So 6482 is your answer. I hope it's clear to all of you. It's very easy. Next, D. 311 by 3. That means we have to multiply 311 by 3. So let's start from the ones place. 3 ones are 3. Again 3 ones are 3. Then 3 threes are 9. So 933 is your answer. E. 4414. Again let's start with the ones place. 2 fours are 8. 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8. Again 2 fours are 8. So 8828 is your answer. Next, F. 2212 multiplied by 4. 2212 multiplied by 4. Let's start with the ones place. 4 twos are 8. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. Then again 4 twos are 8. So 8848 is your answer. 8848 is your answer. Next, G. 323 multiplied by 3. 323 multiplied by 3. So let's start with the ones place again. 3 threes are 9. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. So 969 will be your answer. H. 5434 multiplied by 1. It's a very easiest one. Let's start with the ones place, children. 1 fours are 4. 1 threes are 3. 1 fours are 4. 1 fives are 5. 1 fours are 4. 1 threes are 3. 1 fours are 4. 1 fives are 5. So 5434 will be your answer. Last one, I. 3133 multiplied by 3. 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9. 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9. So 9399 is your answer. Children, see, it's very easy. Very easy exercise. I hope all of you have understood. Yes or no? If you haven't, please let me know through the comments or through WhatsApp, whatever it is. If you haven't understand, if you have not understand, okay, please let me know. So I hope, children, you have understood, right? If you haven't, please let me know. Again, please practice exercise 4A and 4B and do it in your notebooks. Okay, we are going to meet in the next class, and on Friday, I think, I don't think we will do mental maths. Okay, on Friday we are going to do mental maths. Please be ready, okay, with your books. So we are going to meet in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay happy, stay healthy, and enjoy learning. Thank you.